welcome to another CADimensions Tech Tip. My name is Casey. In this video, I'm going to go over part 2 of creating a shed out of wood using SOLIDWORKS Weldment tools. If you want to learn a quick tip for creating the 3D sketch I'm going to use in this lesson, check out part 1 of this video on our YouTube channel titled 3D Sketching for Weldments. In part 2 of this video series, I'm going to cover how to create custom weldment profiles in SOLIDWORKS. To start, I will need to construct my sketch profiles for the sizes of wood I want to create. To model the profiles, I will open a new part and start a new sketch. For this model, I want to sketch profiles for both a 2x4 and a 2x6. I will use the center rectangle tool to sketch my initial profile. Next, I will add in my dimensions to fully define the sketch for the 2x4 profile. When I create weldment profiles using rectangles, I like to set my center lines to midpoints rather than corners. This gives me additional locating points for my weldment profile. After the sketch is complete, I will configure the sketch by right-clicking on the sketch in my feature tree and selecting Configure Feature. I will then add an additional configuration, modify the width dimension, and add a description. The last step to creating a weldment profile is to save out the file as a library feature part. Before saving, make sure your profile sketch is highlighted. This will make the sketch a library feature. You will know the sketch was selected if an L icon appears on top of the sketch after saving. If you forgot to pre-select the sketch, you can make it a library feature after saving by right-clicking on the sketch in the feature tree, select Add to Library, and then save the file again to update the change. After saving out the profile sketch, you will need to add the file path location for your new weldment profile if you choose to not save it in the default location. To add a file location, go to System Options, File Locations, expand the drop-down menu at the top, and select Weldment Profiles. Finally, add the file location where you saved your profile and hit OK to approve the change. Thanks for watching another CADimensions Tech Tip. Be sure to tune in for part 3 of this video series, where I will be covering how to add structural members to a part and some additional techniques to finish my shed model.
Don't forget to check us out on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and our blog for more great content by clicking on the links in the description below.